Hello everybody, and today I have an unboxing of speaky.com.au. So it's the Yuxin 5x5, and the only other 5x5 I have is the MF5S. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I get mixed up with the MF5 and S, but that's the only one I have. Also, there's a comp in Sydney, Sydney warm-up. I wish I could go, but I'm not, fortunately. But I am going to Nats this year. So that's why I got this, so I can have a good 5x5. Okay, there. Invoiced. See that? Oh, whoa. This is cool. Whoa. Oh, it's Colin. Okay. Oh, there's tape. Okay. I knew that. Whoa, this is cool. Instructions. So, size. Oh, great. There's a crooked sticker there. Whoa, this is so cool. Okay, I think, yeah, this is smaller. First turns. Whoa. Yeah, that is loose. Whoa, that's loose. Yeah, this is definitely my man. It's really smooth and fast because it's loose. But yeah. Wow, that is effortless to turn. Corner current, yeah, I'll have to tighten that. Ooh, okay, yeah, it's pretty good. So, compare this. This has like really slow and sluggish, even though I put DNM. So, do a T-perm on this. Compared to this. Okay, I lost that a bit, but now I'll tighten this. So, yeah. This is gonna be my new main. Have to slow this down though. So yeah, I'll deal with Solve right now. So I won't be talking anymore. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. And also, I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy this. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.